What we're going to do today is we're going to solve the following system of equations using substitution. And substitution just means that we're going to replace a variable with a value. For example, if we look at number 1, we have 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. And we have x equals negative 4. We need to see if there is a solution for this system, so we're going to use substitution. So we have 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. And since we know that x is equal to negative 4, we're going to substitute. We're going to substitute negative 4 for the value of x. And we have 2 times negative 4, which is negative 8, minus 3y is equal to 4. The next step is to go ahead and solve for y. So what we have to do is we have to add 8 to both sides. And we notice that negative 8 plus 8 becomes 0. So that's negative 3y is equal to 12. Divide this by negative 3. And negative 3 divided by negative 3 is 1. So we have y is equal to negative 4. So the solution to this system is negative 4 comma negative 4. Now the difference between 2 and question 1 is now we have an actual equation. But we do the same thing. We're going to go ahead and substitute 7 minus x for the variable y. So we have 4x minus 3 times y, which in this case it's 7 minus x, is equal to 28. And all I did is I substitute 7 minus x for the value of y in the first equation. Okay? Since we want to simplify the left side, we're going to go ahead and apply the distributive property. So we have 4x and then we have negative 3 times 7, which is negative 21. And then we have negative 3 times negative x, which is positive 3x is equal to 28. We're going to go ahead and simplify the left side, and we have 4x plus 3x, which gives us 7x minus 21 is equal to 28. And since we're still solving for x, we're going to go ahead and add 21 to both sides. And we notice that 21 minus 21 is 0. So we have 7x is equal to 49. Divide by 7. So the value of x is equal to 7. Now for us to find the value of y, all we have to do is substitute 7 minus 7. We have 7 for x, we have 7 minus 7, which is 0. So the solution to this equation is, to this system, is going to be 7 comma 0. This is the solution. And this will also be the solution.